Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit, Making Sense of Making Money Online. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer and YouTuber, real estate expert, and automotive consultant. Hey, welcome. Hey, look, uh, this video is won't be that long. I want to talk to you about, uh, thank you guys for helping me. I just passed 75,000 views with this video, and I'm gonna and actually stay with me to the end of this video. I'm gonna tell you how you can actually get my script script verifying debt before disputing any item online. So stay with me to the end, because you're gonna want to know how to pick up that script. Okay, and you guys been asking me this for some time. But look, before I hop into this video, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content, make a comment if you like, share this with your friends and family. Don't keep it to yourself. And most of all, please subscribe to my channel. And you might be saying, why does this fool got on glasses? Because this is top secret. Because I'm offering you guys my script today. And I'm going to tell you how to pick it up. But look, I just wanted to do a couple things here, and I'm not going to get into the whole thing, but I wanted to thank you guys for helping me pass 77,000 views. Actually, 75. I'm at 77,4,900 likes. I mean, this is just incredible. This video was one of my first videos. You see how goofy I looked like a couple years ago, nervous. But I just want to thank you guys. And also, too, if this is your first time, taking a look at this, I wanted to share this with you. For all the naysayers who tell you that, oh, don't do it online, that's because they don't know how to do it online. And I'm just so happy that, many of you folks, hundreds, thousands of you folks have watched this video and actually got some resolution out of it. And so I really been trying to keep up with these. I try to pin them to the top as best I can, but it's quite a few of them. But here's one called Experience to Dispute Account. They should have been deleted from my report. Well, the rep certainly called the collection company on a three-way, confirm whether or not the account should be removed or not. Once it was confirmed, rep advised the account will be deleted ASAP. May take up to 24 to 40 hours to reflect the error. Well, it took less. I mean, so that's pretty strong and good for you. Here's another one. Just love your guide. That's one of my blueprint masterpiece. If you haven't got that, make sure you pick that up. Here's Sophia. I remember Sophia earlier. Hey girl, what's going on? Hey Tony, my credit score jumped from 504 to 627 in less than 2 weeks using your online dispute method. Took longer than 24 hours, but less than 14 days for sure. Guys, online disputes do work. Just show proof. I disputed the picture proof. They let you upload attachments and quick line about the past dues before being reported on a collection account. Good job, Sophia. And I'm not going to read all of these, but true professional when it comes to all solutions regarding Experian. Hey, appreciate you, brother. This was exactly what I was searching for. Thanks so much. That's how it's done. Easily understandable. Explain guide. Brilliant guide. We loved it. Thank you so much for sharing these high quality value infos, Anthony. See, I love this comment. See, this is what makes the difference between an actual expert like Tony and the so-called Experian experts. Thank you. Appreciate that. Wow. Thank you for everything. You're awesome. I just looked at my email from Experian. My credit score jumped 23 points today. Beautiful. So yeah, I mean, go to this video, guys. Experian Online Credit Dispute Tutorial, same day deletions. Look, guys, I've had some really great success with it. I did a video of what y'all put down below. Um, Someone's credit, uh, their scores jumped like 137 points um, within a short period of time. I did a video on that not too long ago. Another one on TransUnion. Actually, I was working with the customer, and within, oh my goodness, before 2 minutes, they already had deleted 3 items off the credit. So look, not Experian, but online disputes do work with Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax. Doesn't matter. You just need to know how. I do have a guide, and I want to thank you guys for um, hundreds and hundreds of you folks have bought the guide, purchased the guide, and also now I'll also have an option for you guys to pick up my script on what to say when you're calling to verify any debt before you dispute online. So I just got that, and I'll put that link down below. Um, but look, just a short video. Just wanted to share this with you. Once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I would have never guessed that this video would get um, more than 77,000 views. I really think it wasn't that great a video, the editing and sound, but you know what? I guess the content matters more than anything. So I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Uh, Look, until the next time, we'll see you later. Tony O, making sense of credit, making sense of making our money. Appreciate you guys. Thanks.